right. So thank you for that performance. For a minute, I thought I was walking in a Winterland myself. 2020 has been a really hard year, but it's always good to focus on the great times we had together. So now we'll be looking back at this semester in our first official Foley Arts Council organized segment. Semester reflections from students around the school.
So what's your name?
You can come closer.
Yeah, you can come in here.
Oh, June, you want me to say it? Oh, June.
Oh,
This
June.
is Oh, June.
And you're in nursery, right? Yeah? All right. So what's something this year that you were really happy about doing?
Your favorite thing to do, Oh, June. What is your favorite thing to do? Playing outside, playing inside, coloring, painting. Oh, going to Gators.
Going to Gators, yeah.
Yeah.
And what's something you want to do next year? Play with cars?
With cars.
Cool.
Oh, June loves cars.
Yeah.
So what's something fun that you've done this year?
Or even outside. You like drawing, right?
Yeah,
And building?
yeah.
How about you, Emma and Sky?
Well, I like playing in the mud.
Playing in the mud?
Yeah, I played with the mud. Yeah, remember yesterday?
I do remember.
I played with the mud with the mushrooms.
And how about you, Sky?
What's something that you're looking forward to next year?
So remember we talked about today when we come back after Christmas, it's going to be a new year. We'll still be in preschool, but what's something that you might want to do once we come back in January?
Maybe climb on trees.
Climb trees?
I guess I'll play my horse.
Playing with horses?
Yeah, I guess. Playing with my new stuffy toy, maybe so they get
Yeah, so playing with new stuffies that they might get for Christmas.
Awesome.
Hi, my name is Victoria, and what I want to do next year is do the same thing that I'm doing in a couple of days, which is McDonald's, getting Dunkin' Donuts hot coffee, hot chocolate, and I am wanting to do that next year. And also, I forgot one thing, which is the zoo's light show, and I'm proud that I didn't want to get scared when I go Graceland. I don't even know who she is, but I've heard of her in books.
Okay.
One thing I am proud of this year is learning subtraction. Second thing what I want to do after winter break is learn multiplication.
Okay. So what is something that you're proud of doing this year? What's something that you're proud that you've done?
Well, making a ton of friends.
Great. What's something that you're excited to do next semester?
Get back with old friends.
Friends.
So, what's your name and grade?
Wait, what?
What's your name and grade?
I'm in third grade and my name is Isabella.
Okay, so what is something that you're proud of that you've done this year?
It has to be going in the costume parade because it was my first time and it was really fun.
Okay, so what's something that you're excited to do next semester?
Probably studying about like Spanish because I think we have Spanish next.
Cool.
I'm Suhaba Gachaman, and I have a comp for Spanish, and I really want to do next semester a new play in theater.
Hi, I'm Elise and I'm in 6th grade. My greatest accomplishment this semester is probably putting all the effort I put into my work and remembering to do it and turn it in on time.
Hi, I'm Yael. I'm in 7th grade. So something I accomplished this semester was writing a novel for NaNoWriMo in humanities. And then something I want to do next semester is get better at math.
One of my accomplishments for this semester is helping organize the open mic, and something I want to improve on next semester is my Spanish.